Okay, so the support bracket is bent. YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there. So let me show you, tell you what happened. As you all know, I did a video where I fixed the radiator. Actually, I fixed a few radiators. So I got hit up from somebody on through my YouTube. I saw you did the radiator. I just don't feel comfortable about doing one myself, so you could help me out. So I was like, yeah, what happened? Said, oh, I hit a manhole cover and I damaged my radiator, which is typical in New York City, because New York City takes out Rykers left and right with bad roads and manhole covers. So I said, bring it by. As you saw, when he brought it by, not only did he hit the manhole cover, but he caught the radiator support bracket on the bottom, which is attached to the frame, and actually tore the whole front end off. Horrible. And as you can see in the video when we get it apart, the whole radiator support bracket is bad. So did a little bit of bending and to try to get it at least so we could support the radiator on at least one part of the bracket. But just to let you guys know about riding, and as you watch the video and see the damage yourself, you have to really be careful. This bike sits low and the front of the bike is very, very, very vulnerable. So just I know guys buy the radiator protectors in the front grill guard, and that's great for debris, but I'm talking about debris on the ground, not debris popping up, because rocks, remember, you're only 4 inches off the ground. You bottom out, you hit something, you're gonna tear the whole bottom of it. As you see on the video how bad it can be. But watch the video, we get them out there, we get them running to see the Ryker Doctor. Just check it out. Sorry bro, I gotta get footage. Okay. So I'll make my channel. Alright, so here's the damages. And we're gonna try to bring this bad boy back to life so my man here could get back on the road. Alright YouTube, so we got the radiator off. Looks like the radiator support is bent. I don't see too much twisting in the frame wise, so we're gonna try to see if we can mount the radiator back on. Let's put some zip ties or something so we can get it moving. Well, we still have the rubber grommets. I'm gonna put the screws in to hold the radiator in place and put this on. Alright, got the front end back on. I'm gonna start it up, see how everything flows. There's no leaks. Start her up.
Put this drawbridge in the
I'll take care of all that, man. Don't worry about that. Just gonna throw this up real quick. Alright. So we done here. We got my man's rally back to running again.
Right.
That's what's up. Put him back on the road. Now all we gotta do is give this joint a nice bike wash. And we good. Gonna come back later and fix up some other stuff for now, but we're gonna get them rolling. Alright. This video is sponsored by RLS Exhaust. Check out the link below. Alright, so that's it. It's done. Show up. Ryker Doctor took care of it. It's all good.
Peace out.
Peace out. See y'all in the next one.